In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between methods and functions in Python. So methods and functions both are same, but they have some key differences. Like function is called outside the class, but method is called inside the class. And a function is not bounded to any objects, but methods are bounded to particular objects or a class. And it cannot functions cannot directly access the object data, but methods can access it. Function can call directly using their names, but methods can called by using object dot the method name. Function is independent, but method is dependent on the attributes and instance of the classes. Functions can define without any parameters, but method should have at least one parameter. So now I'm going to explain with some example. See, this is just greeting the person. This is a function for uh, like we are calling the function greet. Greet is the class and the name is the object. So we are returning hello and the name. So while printing, this is a function. So function, how we will call? We will call the function using the function name and then giving the value whatever we want. Same thing in method. When we go to method, this is the method example. So class we are creating. Greeter is the class name, and inside that we are creating a init method. This is the method, and then the self dot name. That is self is the instant variable. So after that init method, the actual method greet is the method, whatever the method we are creating inside the class greeter. So how to call this method? So first we are creating an instant of the class. Person is the instant of the class which we are calling the class. Greeter is the class, and inside greeter we are passing the parameter. The value of parameter is Bob. That is the name. Name we are passing it from the class. So after passing, if you call the method which is inside the class, so how we are calling person dot greet. Person is the instance whatever we created now with that instant dot, and then we are calling the method greet. If you see in the function class, we are giving the value, but here we are not giving any value. Just we are giving only in the print statement that whatever the instance dot greet, and then we are not passing any parameter, but in the output we will get the that Bob name. How it is possible? Like why means we are calling the self in the method. So if you pass the parameter as a self while defining, if you are passing self in the parameter, that means it's not passing like self is a special. It means everything included in the object. So that's why we are not passing any parameter in the print while calling the method. Also, it will automatically take the while we created instant. If we have passed the parameter right, it will take like that. So that, and then uh, so we are okay. What is the in real time experience scenarios where we will use this function to calculate any fee late details? If you are coming, if you are not coming in some days, then for those how the calculation will be done by the function. So in real time scenarios method where we will use means suppose we have a library details, we need to, if any book we are adding, we need to obtain those details in the library. So appending the book or removing the book from the library list. So these kind of things we can use the method. That's it. Thank you.